Color ombres are amazing, but they can be a pain. So I've got some tools for you to try it with. So here we go. Here's my lineup. I'm going to use some pink neon from Manicure Young Nails, and then I'm going to use Molten and Solar Mission Control art gels. Oh, and this baby beauty blender. Amazing. I'll link it. It's the best. But you want to use the tip of it here. So I'll link all of this great, amazing stuff. I'm going to lay down my first layer of color, and then I'm going to cure it. And while it cures, I'm going to get out kind of my art gels here in a second. So we'll cure that. Back to my pink neon for my second coat. And this can be any gel polish, whatever you want. Let's do the second coat. And as this cures, that's when I'll grab my art gels. You do want an art gel. You don't have to, but they're better for ombres because they're thicker pigment. So maybe just reach for like a gel polish that has a lot of pigment. That will work well too. So cure that pretty color. I love it. Open these babies up, and I chose the yellow on one end, and in the middle we're going to have more of a coral. So I chose the Molten, the coral one, to help us blend the two. I'm going to take the tip of my beauty blender into my art gel. You can see how thick that is. And you want to dab it on your tile or table first, or your art palette, and work your way up with the point going towards the cuticle. That's going to help you kind of choose how much to blend, where you're going to blend it. And the first layer is never as deep as you want it to be, and you're going to cure it, and we'll do a second layer. But I'm just dabbing it on, and these beauty blenders are really dense, so that's why they help it blend so well. So kind of faint. I'm going to put a little more on the tip here. And then we're going to cure that. Okay. Now for the second layer, I'm going to focus more on the tip to give it more intense color down here, and then I work my way, a little fuzzy in there, work my way up towards the middle of the nail and let it kind of fade out. You can take the other end and kind of dab to keep it lighter in the middle, and then we're going to cure that. You can see it start to come out. I'm dabbing off my beauty blender to just help take off some of that yellow color. And I don't want to use any of my cleansers or alcohols yet because I'm still going to use it with this second color in here. Okay, so dip the tip in again, and we're going to sponge it out on the surface. And then we're going to put it through the middle of the nail. This just helps blend out the two colors so you get a 3-color gradient from pink to coral to yellow. Oh, I love it. I'm going to do a little bit more just to really soften that blend. Perfect. There we go. Beautiful. So we're going to want to cure that, and you can see it's blended well. While it cures, I'm going to clean up my work area. So I close my gels so they don't get cured, and then I need to clean off the surface. So I'll just take some alcohol on a wipe and just wipe it all down, and it'll clean up really nicely. Now I'm going to put on top coat. I like my Manicure top coat from Young Nails. And it just seals all that in. We'll give it a little cure here in a second. But that gradient turned out beautiful and nice and even. When it comes out here, you've got to cleanse off the sticky layer. And ta-da! I love it. So subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. We're going to create some more fun looks for you and give this a shot. Beauty blenders are amazing for this.